Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to Law Enforcement Administration Review. In this video, we'll dive into Law Enforcement Administration, 10 items review questions, set 7a, to help you sharpen your legal knowledge, enhance your investigative skills, boost your confidence for your upcoming exams. Are you ready to put your expertise to the test? Challenge yourself with law enforcement questions. Strengthen your understanding of law enforcement administration. Prepare for success in your criminology journey. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on criminology reviews, law enforcement insights, law enforcement administration, and in-depth legal discussions. Let's learn, review, and excel together. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Act Number 175 provided the organization of the Insular Constabulary, which was approved on A. July 9, 1901. B. July 18, 1901. C. July 15, 1901. D. July 8, 1901. Which of the following is the oldest warning device? A. Trumpet. B. Horn. C. Radio. D. Siren. What is the integrated system of underground and overhead piping, designed in accordance with fire protection engineering standards, and connected to one or more automatic water supplies? A. Alarm system. B. Sprinkler system. C. Standpipe system. D. Ionization device. Which of these uses a photoelectric cell where in some of these detectors, smoke that enters obscures a steady beam of light? In theirs, the smoke scatters a light ray from a diode so that the cell can detect it. A. Alarm system. B. Smoke detector. C. Ionization device. D. Sprinkler system. What is the simplest form of lock? A. Ward lock. B. Yale lock. C. Cylinder lock. D. Combination lock. Which of the following persons is not a VIP? A. State President. B. Private officials. C. High-ranking public officials. D. High-ranking military officials. What is the evaluated and interpreted information concerning organized crime and other law enforcement problem? A. Information. B. Police intelligence. C. Intelligence. D. A and C. E. None of these. Which of these could be obtained without resorting to special effort or clandestine operation? A. Open sources. B. Intelligence information. C. A and B. D. Closed sources. E. None of these. Which of these could be obtained without resorting to special effort or clandestine operation? A. Open sources. B. Intelligence information. C. A and B. D. Closed sources. E. None of these. The accomplice of associate of the subject of surveillance is A. Convoy. B. Maid. C. All of these. D. Decoy. E. Lost. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.